So good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to cover the topics and going to start the conductance session on Excel. It is just based on the demand, as people has requested in the group that we are expecting session on Excel. So this is just first session. We will cover from the basics and we'll keep covering the topic one by one. So just wanted to know how many of you working in WFM as an RDR, working as a associate in call center BPOs.
You are working as a scheduler.
Okay, great. So basically this session is just on basics of Excel. Okay. So let me start first. So here you can see that basic understanding row, column, cell and reference number. So when we talk about row, so the number that we can see on left corner.
Chandra,
One,
sorry to interrupt you. Can you hear me?
yeah, Kamesh, I can hear.
I just wanted to know what you have covered in today's session in the morning at 1 o'clock, since I forget to join.
So that was totally on syncage and syncage model.
All right, all right. So I believe you're going to upload that within this in the same video or the same video.
No, once this particular session is over, I will upload that
Uh-huh.
video on YouTube.
All right, great. That I wanted to. Yeah, continue, please.
Thank you, Kamesh. So first we will talk about row. So the number you can see, that is numeric number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we will talk about this range, which I have selected here, this will be known as row. Okay. And now coming to the another thing, that is column. So this is my column. Okay. Again, I have taken a shell. So you can see that the combination of row and column create a box. Okay. So this particular range known as cell. And how do we define this cell? How we can know where we are in this particular sheet? So we have something by which we can define. So this is, here you can see that my column is B and row is 3. So here you can see that B3. So B3 where my cursor is. So I've selected B3 and B3 will be the reference number of this particular cell. So what is the reference number? Reference number is the combination of column and row. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, Chandra. All good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now coming to the most important thing. Can anyone tell that how do we define any written value in the column? This is number or this is text. Would request you all please mute yourself if you're not speaking.
You can mute your from your end. Mute all. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Now
So
you
we
can
can
go.
okay. So we can use like is text or is number, like then also we can come to know is it text or a number.
So here I'm writing here this. By looking into the cell, how can you tell me? How can you decide?
See, very first, if the by default number is coming right side, that means we can identify this number is a number. And if it is going left side of by default uh, alignment, that we can consider as a text. If it is not, then again we can use is it text or number. That formula we can use also.
That's great. Yeah. So basically anything, if we are typing from 0 to 9, okay, so that is my number. If I will type these numbers, so this will go in my right side in between in between 0 to 9. So these all will be considered as number. Okay. Apart from this, anything that we are typing that is symbol or that is text, I mean the alpha, so that will be known as text. So this is my number and this is my text. So anything like I'm typing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you can see that this is in left, but here I have taken the apostrophe. Okay. Now here anything if I'm typing that is alphanumeric, so that will also as a text. So why I'm telling you, we'll discuss. So very simple, here I'm writing date. Okay. So here you can see that this is my date. I want to apply formula here, that is text. So this is my value. Now here you can see that I have to take format. So I want to know the year. So here I'm getting error. Okay. So here you can see that if I am taking this value in double quotes, so I will get the year. So any text which I'm using inside the formula, so always that will be in double quotes. Is it clear?
Yes, Indra, all good.
Now let me apply this. If my this value is greater than 1, so here you can see that here I have given the logic. If my this value is greater than 1, so there should be 12. So here I have used number. Okay, so there is no any double quotes kind of things required. Number I can put directly. There is no additional things required in between the formula. So always keep in mind while you are using the formula. So don't need to remember that where I have to apply the double quotes, where I don't need to apply. You just keep in mind that if there is text, so you need to apply double quotes. If there is not any kind of text, there is number, so you can directly put the number. If you will put this value in double quote, so you will get the value in text, which you can see in left. If that is a number, so you will get that number. So any number, let's suppose here you have taken in double quotes. Now you just want that value into number. So you can multiply by 1. You will get that into number. Okay, because you can see that all the things, all the digits you can see is in between 0 to 9, and that was in left. So that's why I have multiplied by 1, and multiplying by 1, there is no any impact. Is it clear?
So Chandra, what is the logic? What we are getting while multiplying with 1?
Yeah. So Kamesh, here you can see that I have taken that number is in double quotes. Okay. So I got this value in text, because
Okay.
you can see in left. When I will
Mhm.
multiply by 1, I will get this value in number.
Okay, got it. All clear now.
So whenever you will be applying the formula on time and all, so
Mhm.
you will get such kind of error. So there you can use this logic, multiplying by 1.
Got it.
Okay.
Fair enough.
So I hope so far everything is clear to everyone.
Yes, Chandra, all good.
So Aryan, can you hear me? I can see your message in chat box.
I think he must be facing some internet connection from his end, because we can hear you clearly, loud and clear.
Thank you, Kamish. Okay. So this is very important thing which we have covered here while applying the formula. Now coming to the why do we fix row and column, and how do we fix range? Okay. So here I'll be taking a simple example with the formula. So here I will apply the formula sum. So here I'm getting value that is 28. I have selected the same range. Now I'm pasting this formula below of this cell. I'm getting 27. Now again I'm pasting this here. I'm getting 53. So you can see that my range is moving towards down, right? If I don't want to move my range, so what I will do is I will have to fix the value. So already we are aware that this is my column and this is my row. Okay. So if we are using dollar sign before column, So my column is L. So my column will not change. My row will be changing. So let's suppose, so here my column will not change. And if I am using $sign before my row number, so my row number will also not change. So here I have written the value, that is $L $4. Here equal. Now you can see that it is changing. But this is L4. What I've shown that $sign L $sign 4. So if I want to fix this value, I will press F4. So in one go, you will get $sign before column and before row. Again, you will press, you will get $sign only before the row number. And again, if you will press, you will get the $sign before your column. Again, you will press, there will not be any dollar. Okay. So I want to fix both. Here you can see that I fixed. Now I will paste and I will get same value everywhere. Because I don't want to move my cell and my value. Now taking another example. Here. Now I want to fix my column. Okay. So I want to fix my column. I don't want to fix my row. So here, same thing. So here I'm taking M. So here you can see that if I will paste this value here, so my M is not changing. M column is not changing. My row is changing. Here I've taken row number 5, then again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear?
Yes, Chandra. All good.
Okay. Now taking another example for row number. Taking O $sign 4. And now you can see that everywhere I'm getting same value. If I will change my column number, I will paste my formula in different column. So I will not get the value, because here I can see that we don't have any value on different column on same row. If I'm typing here anything, so that will be reflecting over here. Is it clear?
Yes, Chandra. All good.
Okay. Now let's understand with the help of formula. So I hope everyone is aware about the VLOOKUP formula.
Yes.
Okay. Are you expecting the involvement from everyone? Because this is just for learning. So if you will speak, you will learn. So against this, I have taken the value. So here you can see that I'm taking same value. In the first example, what I will do, I will apply formula VLOOKUP. I'm taking same value. Lookup value is 1 and table array in this from this particular range, I want to get the value. So my column index number is 2 because I want to know name. So let me tell you, whenever I'm selecting this range. So if you want to know the name and you are selecting the range. So in the corner, you will see that column number 2. So I want to know the value of 2. Okay. So directly you can count the number from here. Don't need to count manually. Now, here you can see that this is how I got my names against these values. Now, here, if I'm changing my sequence, 9, 1. Here you can see that I'm not getting the value because the range I've selected here has been moved to what's down. Okay. So to fix this issue, what I can do is I can fix this particular range because I don't want to move this range from here. So I will fix all the rows and columns which I've selected in table array. If I'm applying this, so this is how I can correct my formula. Okay. And after this is my common value. After this, any particular value which is given after this, and with the help of this formula, I want to know the value. So here you can see that I'm not getting any value, I'm getting error. So in one go, I'm applying the formula and pasting here. So the value should come up. So what I can do is, whenever I'm applying the formula, so this particular column should be fixed. Because here you can see that the reference is taken from here. So I will change this and I will fix this value. I have fixed the column number G. So whenever I'm pasting this formula in this particular range, it will pick the formula. So I hope you guys have understood that what exactly means of dollar, and what do we fix the range and row column all. So guys, expecting that everything is clear to everyone.
Yes, clear. Yes, Chandra.
Okay, so basically this session was just for basic understanding. Going forward, we will covering the formulas like multiple kind of VLOOKUPs and how do we use some product, what are uses of count if, sum ifs, how we can use in our reports. So we will cover one by one. So for today, that's all from my end. So apart from this, if anyone has any question regarding the today's sessions, so we can go ahead.
All good, Chandra. I have some certain questions regarding the VLOOKUP.
Yes,
Uh,
please.
yeah, yeah. Actually, you have from the VLOOKUP formula in the column, in the column number I,
Okay.
column number I. You have right. Suppose in initial table, if we have some duplicate value, like if we are go to row number 7, you will see that there is an initial number of 5 and against the name is Sandeep. Suppose if there is 9 and name is someone different, suppose my name is there, then what initial value will be pulled by this formula? Either it will be pulled by Hariom or it will be pulled by Chandra.
The first value which it will get, it will pick first value.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So whichever is first value in the table, it will be pulled by the formula. Huh?
Right. Always we will pick the number from the unique value. We will not pick from like common value.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sure, sure. And can you please explain if you know the demerits of VLOOKUP formula? Like we have seen in multiple organizations for the same purpose, we have used the match formula. You know, so what is the demerits? Why we use match formula in different table where VLOOKUP formula is not applied?
Yeah, so in short, I will just tell you, and going forward we will discuss. So basically, you can see that here I've changed the column index number from 2 to 3. Okay. So if we will apply the match formula over here, so this will not be required. It will directly pick the number based on the headers those we have. Let's
Yeah,
suppose
sure. Okay.
this is my serial number, this is my name, and this is my value. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah.
So if I will apply formula that is match. Sorry. My lookup value is this.
Yes.
let me write down here the so this is my 9, and let me number 2, column number 0. So this is how I can get.
Thanks,
Here-
Chandra, friend.
Here you can see that I have applied the mesh
Hmm.
formula over here.
Yeah.
So you can see that this is not being changed. So I
Sure.
don't need to change the value.
Hmm. Okay.
I hope this is clear. So going forward,
Yeah, sure.
we will discuss this in deep.
Hmm.
Okay. So the
Sure.
time is about to finish. So expecting feedback from you all in the group, if this is helpful for you guys.
Sure, Chandra.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Have a great day.
Thank you, Chandra. Thanks for your time.
Thanks for your time.
Chandra.
Thank you, Chandra.